everyone, welcome back to my channel Verma's Music, Travel and Food. Hope all of you are doing well. Today in this video, I am going to share our road trip to Austin and flying back home to Calgary. Austin is the capital city of the US state of Texas. The Austin metro area, with an estimated 2.55 million residents, is the 25th largest metropolitan area in the nation. It is the second most populous US state capital. It has been one of the fastest growing large cities in the United States since 2010. The flying time from Calgary to Austin is close to 4 hours. The driving distance from Calgary to Austin is 3,233 kilometers, that is 2,009 miles. And it takes about 30 hours to drive. We drove from Houston, Texas to Austin, Texas. The distance between the two cities is 266 kilometers, that is 165 miles. And it takes around 2 hours and 35 minutes to reach. Located in central Texas, on the eastern edge of the American Southwest, the city dates back to the 1830s, when the first Anglo-American settlers arrived in the area, then part of Mexico. This city is named after Stephen F. Austin, known as the father of Texas. With over 300 days of sunshine annually, residents enjoy year-round outdoor activities such as biking, hiking, and water sports on Lady Bird Lake and the nearby hill country. The best times to visit Austin are spring, that is March to May, and fall, that is September to November. Known as Silicon Hills, Austin is a major tech hub hosting giants like Tesla, Apple, Google, Dell, Oracle, and Meta. Texas does not impose a state income tax, allowing for higher take-home pay, which is particularly beneficial for professionals. Known as the live music capital of the world, the city boasts a vibrant nightlife, numerous festivals, and a diverse culinary scene. The city is home to the University of Texas at Austin, contributing to a highly educated workforce and a supportive, collaborative environment for startups and entrepreneurs. It is a top-tier research institution with over 50,000 students that heavily influences the local talent pool and economy. Established in 1937, the 307-foot UT Tower in Austin is the primary symbol of the University of Texas, representing academic excellence, achievement, and campus identity. Texas state capital is located in downtown Austin, Texas. This structure houses the offices and chambers of the Texas legislature and of the governor of Texas. Austin is recognized for its sustainability efforts and generally ranks higher than the national average in key health outcomes. Austin Bergstrom International Airport is the primary commercial airport serving Austin, Texas, and the surrounding metropolitan area. The distance between Austin Airport and downtown Austin is about 8 miles. Austin is a leader in green living, aiming for 100% renewable energy by 2040 and offering various rebates for energy efficiency. The city is known for its friendly, laid-back culture, making it easy for new residents to integrate into social and professional circles. Austin is famous for its legendary barbecue and a thriving food truck culture, and for being the birthplace of the Whole Foods market. With a population nearing 1 million, the city has a relatively young population and has been recognized as a top place to live in the US. In the end, we can see that Austin, Texas offers a high quality of life with a booming job market, no state income tax, a renowned live music scene, and abundant outdoor recreation. As a fast-growing hub for technology and education, it provides a vibrant, sunny, and culturally diverse environment. Hope all of you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. See you soon with a new one. Thank you for watching.